Assalamu alaikum, my wonderful viewers. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hajiani Motufombia and I welcome you to the family. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful abaya that I'm wearing. That's my Eid dress. As you can see me, I'm at Eid. Yes, that's where I pray Eid. Yes, you can see me at Eid. Hey, the abaya was very beautiful. I was feeling very happy. You know, sometimes you feel happy when you are wearing a nice dress. Yes. By the way, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Everyone, I wish you Eid Mubarak. And may Allah bless everyone who is watching me and who is in their home. Without wasting my time, let's stop everything. Get into the video. Yes, as you can see, this is my dress. So I've already cut the dress. So I'm going to teach you how to sew it. And there's a slit in front. So the slit in the front of the dress, I will first cut 2 inches wide, 2 inches wide, so 2 by 10 in 10. Then I will use it for facing for the slit in front of my dress. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use this lace. You can see that I'm putting on the dress. So I'm going to put this on in front of the dress. Okay, I'm going to put it only on the front of the dress. So I'm just going to sew both of them, then I'll come and show you how to. So this is my sleeve. On the sleeve, the middle of my sleeve too, I'm going to put the lace. I'll put both right and left and right. Okay, so I'll put one at the left side like this, then I'll sew it down. After sewing it down, then I'll cut the remaining. I'll cut the excess from there, then I will bring it to the other side. I will bring that to the other side like this. Look at, just watch like the way I'm doing, you understand it. So I'll just stitch on it. So it is a double. I double it. So I will stitch both of them down. Then I'll come and show you how it looks. So as you can see, I've finished sewing the lace on my sleeve, and also I sew the hem of my sleeve. So that's my sleeve, my 2 sleeves. So I'll pack it aside. Then we work on the main dress. So you can see that we have finished attaching our lace in front of our dress. Look at it well. We have finished attaching it. So you can see that I've used facing to turn the slit. So can you see the facing? Yes, I've used facing to turn the slit. And this place too, it got bent. Yes, when I was ironing it, and I sew it and seal it down and just give it a place. So after pressing it, if I did not tell you that I've bent the dress, you will not even notice it. So whenever you are working with, there are some materials, they don't like heat. So such materials, when working with it, you have to be very careful. And this particular material is one of them. So now I'm just going to join my shoulder. So I've put my back down. I'm putting the front on it. Then I'll go and join the shoulder of my dress. After joining the shoulder, I left 1 inches for the side seam. So I'll use that 1 inches to sew the side. So I'm going to sew the shoulder like this. Yes, I'll sew it down. Then I'll use the 1 inch I left for the side and sew the side down. So let's go and do that, and I'll come and show you how it looks. Okay, here is our abaya. I've already sewed the side and side of my abaya. So now I'm going to teach you how I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix my sleeve. So this is my armhole, okay, and this is my neck. So the armhole area, that's where we are going to fix our sleeve. So now I'll bring my sleeve I will bring my sleeve. I'm taking my sleeve. So after taking my sleeve, I'll fold it to the middle of my sleeve. Then I'm going to put it on the armhole. We join the shoulder. So from where we join it, then I will start putting it down on. I'll put it around where we join. Then I will just put it around the armpit. So I'm just putting my sleeve around the armpit to see what is left for me. Then I will sew the seam allowance that is left. So the seam allowance that was left was just half an inch. So as you can see me holding that place, it's just half an inch. So I'm going to sew this half an inch down. I'm going to sew it down. So let's do that. So this is my sleeve. I'm going to turn my sleeve. Then I'll bring my abaya. Then I'll sew my armhole, okay? We are going to fix the sleeve. So when facing the sleeve, I have to notch the middle of my sleeve. That's where I'm going to pin it to my shoulder, where I join the shoulder. Yes, that's the middle of my sleeve. So this is it, as you can see. So where I join the shoulder, that will be the middle of my sleeve. So I'm going to put it I'm going to start sewing it from the middle. So I'll match them together like this. Then I'll put it inside my machine, then I'll sew it round. So that's what we are going to do. So let's do that. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, like and share my videos. So this abaya, if you want me to share how to cut this abaya, then I'll do that. Just leave it in the comment section. But it is an A-line dress, okay? And it is an A-line dress. If you don't know how to cut it, please just leave it in the comment section. I'll do a video to show you how to cut it. It's very simple. So I was just thinking that watching it, you can even able to cut it. But if you cannot cut it, just leave it in the comment section. So as you can see, I've finished sewing the sleeve. So we are going to repeat the same procedure to sew the second sleeve. So just watch what I'm doing and you understand it. This is very simple to do, and it's very simple. If you just watch it, you can do it. So if you're looking for a way to say thank you to me, if you like all my videos and you want to just say thank you to me, please by just liking my videos, it is a big thank you to me. You can just like and subscribe to my videos, and that's okay for me. Thank you. So as you can see, I've sewed both sleeves. So now we're going to work on the hood. Yes, on the hoodie. On the hats, yes, we are going to work on it. So this is where my neck is, okay? It's going to fix on my neck, and this side is at the back. So we are going to start sewing here to the center back. Yes, that will be my center back. So let's go and sew it. So we have finished sewing our hood. We have finished sewing it down. So I'm just going to turn it like this. Remember where I told you that is our center back where we sew. So we bring our lace. So this one too, we are going to put lace. We are going to put the lace on it. Okay, we are going to put the lace around it. So this is how I'm going to put the lace. You put it around it. So it will be like this on top of it. Okay, that should be for the front. It's good, that place is coming to, on the front. That's the front. So we put lace at that place. That's where you put your head from the front. So you can see we have finished sewing it. Can you see how it looks? This abaya is very beautiful. It's very simple to make it and it's very beautiful. So I notch the center back, and remember this is our center back. Okay, so I'm going to put the center back of the hood to the center back of our neck. Okay, the hat. If yes, we are going to put them together so that we sew from one place to the end. Okay, so now we are going to sew it. We are going to attach it down. After attaching it, then I'll put stones on it. Then I'll come and show you how it looks like. So you can see how it looks like now, but we are going to attach stones to it. So after the stoning, I'll show you how I'm going to put the stones on it. Okay, so just keep watching. So I'm going to put this fabric. I cut it on fold, 1 inches on fold, and the length was just 10 inches. So I'm going to put it like a flap at the slit area. Okay, I don't want the abaya to just be open like that. I want to put something to cover the slit. Okay, when I wear it. So after putting it like this, I'll just sew it. Then I'll put press buttons here, here, and here. Then I can close them with the press buttons. Okay, so let's go and sew it. Then we'll go and do the stoning. Then we see how everything looks like. So this is how I'm doing the stoning. I put one on top of the lace design, then I jump the other. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to be putting it one by one like that. Then I will took my stoning machine. I've already plugged my stoning machine. Don't worry, I'll show you how it is look like. I've already plugged it. So the heat, it is already generating heat. So that when you just put the stoning machine on the stone, the heat that was already generated will melt the glue under the stone, then it will stick to the lace. That's how it works. So you can see this is my stoning machine. Okay, I'll just put it on it like this for some time. The heat will melt the glue under the stone. This stone has glue under it, so it will melt it. After it melts it, then you see it will stick together. Thank you for watching. If you are still up to this end, please give me a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube videos. Share my videos to people you think it will benefit them. Okay, share my videos, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you for adding to the new family. If you are new, if you are already a return, if you are a return subscriber, I welcome you. I thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you very much. Without you, I'm not there. I say goodbye. Medasi. Bye bye.